मैथ्स ऑन टिप्स लेक्चर सीरीज को आगे करें एनडीए के लिए। सो कोप्लेनरिटी ऑफ टू लाइंस एग्जिस्टिंग ऑन द सेम प्लेन आर कॉल्ड कोप्लेनर लाइन। अब हमें चेक करना है कि टू लाइंस अगर गिवन है उनको कोप्लेनर शो करना है तो फार्मूला क्या होगा। So just check, consider this is the line L1 and this is the line L2. Line L1 is passing through A and line L2 is passing through B. Position vector A1, position vector of A2. Now B1 is the parallel vector to the first line and B2 is the parallel vector to the second line. तो एक पार्ट देखो, if point A is on the plane and B is on the plane, तो क्या होगा, AB is on the plane. कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं, AB is on the plane, I think no problem. And this implies AB का मतलब कितना होगा, AB means A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 is on the plane, या lies on the plane, exists on the plane, exists on the plane. अब देखना बेटा, B1 is parallel to L1 and B2 is parallel to L2 and both are on plane. So B1 cross B2. What about B1 cross B2? B1 cross B2 is perpendicular to both the lines and lines are on the plane. If then B1 cross B2 is perpendicular to plane. Is perpendicular to plane. And if it is perpendicular to plane, then this implies B1 cross B2 is perpendicular to A2 minus A1. And if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. Then this implies A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 is equal to 0. This is the condition of coplanarity of two lines passing through A1, A2 and parallel vectors are B1 and B2. Now see the Cartesian form. Suppose that this is the x1, y1 and z1 and this is the x2, y2 and z2. B1 is equal to, consider A1i plus B1j plus C1k and B2 is equal to A2i plus B2j plus C2k. देन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में क्या मिला बेटा, A2 माइनस A1 करना है, कितना आएगा, x2 माइनस x1, y2 माइनस y1, z2 माइनस z1, फिर B1 क्रॉस B2 आपने लिया, क्या आएगा, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 is equal to 0. So this implies x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, फिर B1 क्रॉस B2 means A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 and C2. This is equal to 0. This is in the Cartesian form. If two lines passing through the given point and their direction vectors are given, then we can show the two lines are coplanar. It is the condition. एक क्वेश्चन देखो, show that the lines now see, show that the lines x plus 3 upon minus 3 is equal to y minus 1 upon 1 is equal to z minus 5 upon 5 and x plus 1 upon minus 1, y minus 2 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 5, z minus 5 upon 5. चेक करना है whether these lines are coplanar or not. कंपेयर करो बेटा, तो here we will get x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 1 and z1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to 2 and z2 is equal to 5. then a1 b1 c1, a1 is equal to -3, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to 5. Next a2 is equal to -1, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to 5. Put this value in here. तो आप निकालो आप x2 minus x1 जब आप करोगे तो you will get -1 plus 3, x2 minus x1, -1 plus 3, so it is the 2, y2 minus y1, so it is the 1, 0, and next is the -315, and second is -1, 2 and 5. बेटे इसको आप एक्सपेंड करो, so you will get 2 into this and this 5 -10, -1 into this and this cancel out 15, -15 and +5 plus 0 into कुछ आएगा वो 0 ही रहेगा. So this is the -10, -5, so it is the -10. Here -15 plus 5, it is the -10 and this is the minus, so +10 cancel out, so this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0, it means given lines 1 and 2 are the coplanar lines. बेटा इसको वेक्टर मेथड से भी किसी भी मेथड से या कार्टेशियन मेथड से कोप्लेनर प्रूफ करते हमसे बनना चाहिए. इज इट ओके? गुड. इसको एक बार प्रैक्टिस करना है.